Hello students. So we were on natural method. I told you about natural method that we can prevent the meeting of sperm and ovum naturally. So here is periodic abstinence. This is also a method where the couples avoid abstain from coitus from the day 10 to 17 of the menstrual cycle, right? This is the time period when ovulation takes place. Hmm? So coitus interruptus is another method in which the male partner withdraws his penis from the vagina just before ejaculation so as to avoid insemination. Insemination, you know, student, I will not repeat it here. If you don't know, go through my last video. Okay. So lactational amenorrhea method is based on the fact that ovulation and therefore the cycle do not occur during the period of intense lactation following parturition. Parturition, you know, parturition, delivery of the baby. So in barrier methods, ovum and sperms are prevented from physically meeting with the help of barriers, examples condoms. The diaphragm, cervical caps, and walls are also barriers made by rubber that are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during coitus. Question can be asked that write the name of barrier methods. Yeah, what are the barrier methods using for the population control, right? So such type of questions can be asked in your board exams or in your home exams also. Another effective and popular method is the use of intrauterine devices, IUDs. So these devices are inserted by doctors or experts nurses in the uterus through vagina. Copper releasing IUDs like copper T, copper 7, multi-load 375, and the hormone releasing IUDs like Progestasert LNG20. These are the hormone releasing IUDs, right? IUDs means intrauterine devices. So oral administration of small doses of either progestogens or progestogen estrogen, estrogen nahi hai, this is estrogen. Combinations is another contraceptive method used by females. They are used in the form of tablets and hence are popularly called the pills. Surgical methods also called sterilization. So here we are talking about the pills like I told you before, Saheli is a pill. It's a contraceptive pills, right? So surgical methods are also using sometimes, that is called sterilization also. Surgical method of male or female partner as terminal method to prevent any more pregnancies. So sterilization process in the male is called vasectomy and in female is called tubectomy. Right? What is vasectomy? It is a small part of the vas deferens is removed or tied up through a small incision of the on the scrotum. Right? This is the vasectomy. Vas deferens is a tube-like structure present in the male reproductive system. So here it will just remove, cut, and tied. Got it? Tubectomy, a small part of the, it is vasectomy done in the male, and tubectomy takes place in the female. It is a small part of the fallopian tube is removed or tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. Clear? Clear? So these techniques are highly effective, but their reversibility is very poor. Reversibility means like if people have taken pills, means to say contraceptive pills, they will not be able to be pregnant or they will not be able to conceive. But when they leave that pill, they will become again able to conceive or they are able to become reproductively active. But through vasectomy and tubectomy, this is not reversible. If it takes place after the vasectomy and tubectomy, there will be no chance of pregnancy or no chance of reproductively activation in future. So this is the, you can say it's a uh, not a reversible process, right? But those जो हम पहले बता चुके हैं like barrier methods, those can be a reversible process. This is the picture of images of this is a tubectomy and this is of vasectomy, right? Tubectomy in female means to say fallopian tubes are tied and cut here. You can see this, and vas difference here in vasectomy, that is in case of male, vas difference cut and tied here. right? So come to MTP, that is medical termination of pregnancy. This is also called induced abortion. Government of India legalized MTP in 1971 with some strict conditions to avoid its misuse. Such restrictions are although all the more important to check and discriminate and illegal female feticides which are reported to be high in India. You know the female feticides means if fetus is female, that will just remove or that is abort between the pregnancy, right? So MTP or termination is called pregnancy medical termination of pregnancy, or that is abort. MTP to get rid of, what is MTP? Why MTP has been evolved to get rid of unwanted pregnancies either due to casual unprotected intercourse or failure of the contraceptive used during coitus or rapes, right? But there are misuses also. MTP के misuses क्या थे? Female feticides has been taken. That is later it will be illegal. Nowadays, nowhere is place where this determination of sex of fetus can be takes place. So MTP are also essential in certain cases where continuation of the pregnancy could be harmful or even fatal either to the mother or to the fetus or both, right? So MTPs are essential in certain cases because sometimes what happened like continuously female become pregnant in every year or somewhere sometimes, then it can be fatal or it can be death causing for the mother and for the fetus also, or sometimes for both. So that's why MTP is essential, or MTP is okay. But and MTPs are considered relatively safe during the first trimester, that is up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. ठीक है, दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन लाइक फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर में ही एमटीपीज ठीक है, इसके बाद फिर रिस्की है ये. वन disturbing trend observed is that a majority of the MTPs are performed illegally by unqualified quacks, which are not only unsafe but could be fatal too. You know, uses and misuses of MTPs, these are things. So another dangerous trend is the misuse of amniocentesis to determine the sex of unborn child. ठीक है, you people are aware with this. So sexually transmitted infections or sexually transmitted disease, these are also called venereal disease or reproductive tract infection, like hepatitis B, HIV, genital herpes. These are the sexually transmitted infections. They can be transmitted by sharing of injection needles, surgical instruments, etc. with infected persons. Transfusion of bloods are from an infected mother to the fetus too, right? So except for hepatitis B, genital herpes and HIV infections, other diseases are completely curable if detected early and treated properly. So early symptoms of most of these are included. These are some early symptoms like itching, fluid discharge, slight pain, swelling, etc. in the genital region. These are some early symptoms. So one could be following the simple principles given below: avoid sex with unknown partners or multiple partners for the prevention of STDs, right? So always try to use condoms during coitus. In case of doubt, one should go to qualified doctor for early detection and get complete treatment if diagnosed with infection. Okay? So infertility, discussion of reproductive health is incomplete without mention of infertility. Infertility which are not the couple or the person which are not able to reproduce a new young one, that is called infertile. So a large number of couples all over the world, including India, are infertile, that if they are unable to produce children in spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation. And so the reason of this could be many: physical, congenital diseases, drugs, immunological, or even psychological. So many reasons can be for the infertility. So the couples could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques commonly known as assisted reproductive technologies, that is ART, in vitro fertilization. These are some techniques by which infertility